What's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. Mine is going well. So welcome to another edition of Whimsical Wine Wednesdays. I forgot to mention in the first edition that Whimsical Wine Wednesdays is going to be something that I'm going to do every other Wednesday, just because I feel like it's something that needs to be spread apart versus like every week. For this Whimsical Wine Wednesday, I am actually not drinking wine just because I haven't been feeling well. My sinuses have been really bothering me. I just wasn't in the mood for wine, if that makes any sense. But I am drinking something that makes me feel whimsical, and that is apple cider. I love a good apple cider at this time of year. This time of year in general makes me feel whimsical because I absolutely love it. So pairing it with apple cider just is, you know, perfect. We can pretend it's wine. So I don't remember. I mean, I could totally look this up because it's like in my videos. If I did the actual definition of whimsical, I mean, most people know what whimsical means, but it's playfully quaint or fanciful, especially in an appealing or amusing way. And I just feel that's such a great way to be. I mean, obviously you can't be whimsical all the time because you do have to be an adult at times and be, you know, here and now. But I think there's definitely times for whimsy in your life. So whimsical things for me are things that just make me feel like giddy child, happy, excited, like I laugh, like just things that make me feel good. And it's probably things around like that's probably how whimsy feels to everybody. But a lot of things that make me feel whimsical fall into like the mystical, supernatural category. So a lot of Whimsical Wine Wednesdays will probably fall into me talking about like fairies or witches or unicorns or dragons or just something like that, just because those are the type of things that really intrigue me, or some kind of outer space stuff or angels or just something like that, because those are the type of things that bring me a lot of whimsy, just like a lot of fun, lighthearted stuff. That's what makes me feel whimsical. However, for today's video, I thought I would talk about carnations because carnations are my absolute favorite flower. And plus I got a new shadow from Tracy's powder room that I'm going to use today called Cosmic Carnation. It's from their Jupiter's Garden collection and is absolutely a stunning color, and I thought it would be perfect for this video. I love carnations and I feel like they are a very widely used flower, but I also feel like people don't give them the love that they deserve because they are such a hardy, beautiful flower. I mean, they're used in bouquets all the time because of their sturdiness and their hardiness. And they're just amazing. And they can symbolize so many things based on just the color that you choose. Like, depending on the color you pick, they can express love, admiration, gratitude, sadness, sorrow, appreciation, and among many other things. And they also symbolize eternal grief, love, and loyalty. I mean, they're just such gorgeous flowers. I'll pop a picture of carnation right here. I love them, and I love the way they smell. I think that they're just amazing. So I was so excited when I saw that they did a color called Cosmic Carnation. And I also picked up a color from the Dragon Extreme Pressed Multi-Chrome collection in the color Nova, which I'm going to be using today. This color blows my mind. I am so excited. I have not used it, so we'll be using it for the first time together. So I'm super psyched. And it definitely falls into a whimsical thing because multi-chrome shadows make me feel like giddy and childish. So it's all whimsical. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into creating a whimsical Tracy's Powder Room eye look. So I just started out priming my eyes with my Peel Away base like I always do. And now I'm going to jump into my Kimchi Juicy Chocolate Milk palette. And I'm going to jump into this color called Milk Chocolate right here. And I'm going to apply that to my crease area, just in a windshield wiper motion back and forth. I really like the quality of the Kimchi shadows. My brother-in-law actually got these for me for my birthday, which I thought was super sweet. He got me the bundle of the 4 of them, of the 9-pan palettes. And the quality is really nice of the Kimchi eyeshadow palettes. I mean, you can see it's going on nice and smooth, you know, so. Then for my brow bone area, I'm going to go into this color. Choco and Peanut. probably shouldn't have been that complicated. And I'm actually going to put Cosmic Carnation up there too, but I just want something down there as like a base for Cosmic Carnation to stick to. And then to darken up the crease a tiny bit, but not a lot, I'm going to go into this color Ladyfinger right here. Do any of you have the Kimchi beauty palettes? And if you do, what do you think of them? I haven't used them too much in my video. I did use one of the, I think I used the green one in my Forest Fairy look. But I've used them like just like in everyday type of stuff, and I really, really like them. So now I'm going to cut my crease. Had to think about that for a second. So just like that. And then let me show you. This is Nova. This is it right here. I don't know if you can see that it's amazing. And it looks like that. I don't know why I'm singing, but see, it makes me feel whimsical, so I'm singing. So beautiful. Oh my God, just absolutely love it. So pretty. I could stare at it all day. I won't even lie. I'm actually going to use a little brush to put it on though. So pretty. Actually, I probably could just pop the part that's on my finger. Actually, you know what? I think I actually am going to use my finger. I used a brush the first time, but I actually kind of just like the way my finger works better. I can go in with the brush to just kind of go into the like the smaller parts of my eye, if that makes any sense. I mean, I don't know if you can see it in the light on my video. I don't think you can, but in person, it's shifting on my eye. It's green out here and magenta on the inside of my eye. I'd imagine, because I've used multi-chromes before, if I sprayed the brush, they'd probably go on pretty nicely too if I sprayed it. And you can kind of see it shifting. Oh yeah, you can see, like, see it, if I hold my eye like this, you can see it's green on the outside. But it's literally the same shadow. It's unbelievable. It's so beautiful. And then because I don't want there to be like such a crazy harshness between the browns and Nova, I'm just gonna jump into Temptation right here, just on a small little brush. What is it? Actually, it's not that small, it's just like a thin brush. And I'm gonna just pop that on the outer part where Nova and I think it's Ladyfinger meet. I did get a tiny bit of fallout with Nova, but I will pay that price for the amazingness of this shadow. See, it's like a little bit over here. I'm just gonna brush it off pretty easily too, I feel. So make sure it's out. So it's looking like this. And now I'm just gonna go into Cosmic Carnation. I will plug here. Oh, I'm so nervous. I hate pulling out my singles. Cosmic Carnation looks like that. So pressed, so pretty. I have used it a little bit, so looks like that. Absolutely gorgeous. Try and swatch it for you better on the back of my hand there. So pretty. And I'm just going to use a pencil brush, if I can find it, found it, and apply that to my brow bone. So it's looking like this so far. So this is my finished look. I really love how it came out. I really hate that my lighting does not show the amazing shift that is on this shadow. I'm going to try and shoot a close-up of it, and I'll insert it in here if I can get it. If not, then obviously it won't be here. I just finished up my eyes by adding LA Girls Neon Shockwave Liner in the color, I believe this is Gotcha, and then went in to Kimchi Beauty again, and under my lower lash line went in with the color Brownie, and then put Cosmic Carnation on my inner corner for a little bit of sparkle. And then on my lips I went into this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Plumeria, and it looks like that is on my lips too. And the highlighter I'm wearing is the Dream Glow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Unicorn, because I really felt that that just kind of went with it. That's one of my all-time favorite highlighter palettes. It's just so beautiful and sparkly. I don't know if they still make that one anymore, but oh my god, I remember that came out, I got so excited. I was like, that is the highlighter palette that I need. But yeah, so let me see if I can try and, oh my god, it's just so stunning. I mean, so if I hold my eye like this, you can see that it's green and it's the same shadow. Like, see that? Oh my god, so cool. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this edition of Whimsical Wine Wednesdays, although it was more Whimsical Apple Cider Wednesdays. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I am not one of the cool kids, but it is okay. I still thank you so much for spending this minute with me. I really appreciate you, and I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and if you're in the US, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. So anyway, be you, do you, love you, and please wear your face mask. Bye!